Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Join us today as we hit our 1-year anniversary at Restoration Rescue. Alright guys, as you heard, we are officially 1 year into this project. We are excited at our progress with the channel. Maybe not so much as the truck. We really hope to have it done in 1 year, but we've really accomplished a lot on this truck. It's hopefully a couple months away from tearing this thing down from where it started to sandblast and to paint this thing, and now learning how to weld. It's been an experience. We've had a lot of friends stop by. We really thank them a lot. We have my parents, a big thank to helping them with some tools, getting some stuff in, and some of our people that have helped us through the way. So today what we're going to be knocking out is we finished up the floors for the most part. We noticed that the stamping on one of the panels is a little bit off, so we're going to have to grind that away and pull it back in a little bit, and then we're hopefully getting to the other side and start cutting away some of that dirty metal to get in some nice new metal. But without further ado, we're going to come over here to the Eastwood air compressor. This is the third motor that we've gone through. Let's hope that this thing starts without blowing up. So Tim, you might want to back up for a second. Let's see if this thing starts. Alright, so we just wanted to come in and explain why we did what we did today. So, as you can see, we have these three Sharpie marks of where the holes from this tunnel cover were lining up. So we needed to move it over just to get it set in the right spot so that it would fit, and when we do that side, it all fits in and fits nice and correctly. So it doesn't look bad, and it looks good for when we lay our carpet down and whatnot. But, so we'll show you, we're going to put this thing down and show you that now it lines up pretty well. All our lines are pretty much where they need to be. We've thrown bolts in to see where it is. We got to come up and we'll replace this. We have it inside the house. Just got to drill out the spot welds here. We have to come back here, put a couple more welds in, so this place is done. Also, we're going to come back in here and do some spot welds into the cross member brace here and a couple up here as well, just so that it's all connected and strong and solid, because you can't really feel it now, but sometimes there is. But we want to tell you guys thank you for everything you guys have done for us this year. That's going to be a wrap for today. We really wanted to get to the other side, but we just ran out of time today. We want to thank you guys so much. If you're subscribed, we really appreciate it. If not, and you're just joining us, thank you for joining us, and I hope you do subscribe so that you can keep watching us in year 2. Hopefully finish this truck and start on another project.